Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Designs. If you are planning for a new bathroom and kitchen and you are searching for modern tile color and designs, then this video can help you. Just give you a few valuable time and we will showcase you the best ideas that you can ever think. So relax and watch these tile designs carefully and get some great and innovative ideas from these designs that are used by top interior designers all over the world. From kitchen to laundry rooms, bathroom and hallways, black and white tiles are a design component that is certainly making a statement in the house. All things considered, black and white tiles are really flexible, offering minimalism or look to your interior designs. That is why today in this video you will see some great bathroom designs and know how you can use black and white tiles so you are able to add monochrome palette to the room. From geometric design to checkered tiles, this video is going to cover all of the fundamentals. The word black and white quickly evokes a picture in your mind, perhaps an old video or maybe a poignant photograph. It implores a pared down aesthetics, a traditional look. From the time technologies enabled film, pictures and TV being revealed, the color and nostalgia for black and white has persisted. Despite with the technology which is really available at our fingertip, we nonetheless savor keeping the choice of a photograph to black and white. The black and white color palette provides an undeniable air of sophistication to medium from photograph to fashion. As fashion designer Karl Lagerfeld put it, black and white always look modern. True enough, a black and white color palette is always open for interpretation. This is because black and white are flexible. Precisely, the same principle is true to interior design. Black and white home decor may look like a contemporary construct, but this particular color palette has been used for centuries already. There are black and white marble floor tiles in the Palace of Versailles, dating to the 1680s. Adding this particular palette on the design of a room enable you to evoke several of the same characteristics which have created the black and white mixture trendy for generation. Classic, timeless and chic style. They usually say in fashion, when in doubt, wear black and white. Today we say, when in doubt, tile in black and white. As a testament to its versatility, they are able to attain a number of look and feel with this particular high impact color mixture. By thoughtfully thinking about the accessories, furniture, art and fixture you add in your black and white room, you will have the chance to produce some spirits or ambience, making your home uniquely and exclusively yours. For convenience, you can use black and white vinyl floor tiles, self-stick. Take on the traditional black and white checkered look for a timeless investing, along with a feature that is certain to wow your guest. For a sophisticated and grand entrance to your house, why don't you make a spectacular first impression with a black and white checkered floor tiles in your hallway? Enhance your flooring with luxurious furnishing for a visual appeal that oozes opulence and is certain to produce a quick impression on every single visitors upon their arrival. In case your house boasts a big bathroom, big black and white checkered tiles will be the best interior tool to create a statement of your room. Pair your checkered look with regular bathroom fittings to make a timeless appearance, especially eye-catching in a period style toilets. Meanwhile, in case your bathroom is a bit tight on floor space, choose tiny check flooring, which is going to give the impression of making the floor area look a bit more expansive. Pair your checkered flooring with plants and minimalist add-ons to complete its monochrome visual. So friends, if you are enjoying these designs and ideas on modern black and white tile designs, then you should definitely consider to subscribe to our YouTube channel and be a part of our 1 million YouTube family members. On Interior Decor Designs, our aim is to simplify and give ideas to our subscribers and make them aware of modern interior decoration design ideas that are going on in this world. If you want more design ideas on interior and exterior design, then you can check out our website interiordecordesigns.in and also our Android app to get the latest design ideas according to your choice. You will find all the link in the description box below. Also follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and Telegram. With regard to traditional design ideas, black and white floor tiles are king. While it can diminish in recognition, it never actually will go off style. And today, the appearance is making a significant comeback for bathroom across the nation. Right after being ignored for many years, mosaic black and white vinyl floor tiles are showing up in bathroom everywhere and turning to be a good option again for homeowners. Available in several patterns and materials, the retro-looking flooring work on every bathroom area. They complement basically every color palettes and they are fairly inexpensive as well. Plus, in case you install them in your house, they will continue to look fashionable in decades to come. You are able to personalize your floor by selecting from an assortment of matte or shiny tiles in shape such as hexagon, basket weave, octagon or square. You can additionally produce one kind tile arrangement and patterns. Another reason to appreciate this particular versatile style. The great part is that they go superbly with an assortment of farmhouse design staples such as subway tile, reclaimed wood, shiplap, and antique accessories. And in case you wish to upgrade or even renovate your bathroom in several years, be confident that this is one part of the bathroom you will never need to swap out. For all those that feel a bit bold, a brand new take on black and white flooring is pairing black wood with white tiles. This particular higher contrast appearance will certainly wow your visitors, while including a little flair and texture to a black and white aesthetics. Make a statement by choosing rug effect floor that are certain to make a centerpiece with a wow factor. From parquet tiles to jet black and white to monochrome ceramic tiles that offer intricacy and mosaic workmanship. Produce a skirting appearance inside your living room or dining room to open up the space, especially effective in a period family room or in front of a classic fireplace in a stylish dining area. This is a lovely way to add textures and individually to your house. Alternatively, mixing black and white substance in an excellent approach to define regions in an open plan area. Choose black wood flooring in places that demand a bit more warmth. For instance, in the living area and dining room. Pair this with a few gorgeous white tiles to obviously signify the place where the kitchen space begins for a fashionable aesthetics that will not compromise on functionality. If your budget for your new home renovation is tight, then you don't need to spend your hard-earned money on an interior designer. To get the latest interior design ideas, you don't need to search the internet or YouTube. You just need to subscribe to our YouTube channel and bookmark our website interiordecordesigns.in. Just have faith in yourself and trust on us. We will showcase the best interior design that you will find anywhere. All our designs have a combination of modern and trending interior decoration ideas. Just watch all our video and follow our website and app to get your home decorated. Mix up the traditional black and white for a comprehensive look by including several patterns to your house to imitate a unique feature of an old property. Geometric tiles are an artistic method to include intricacy as well as detail to the house, while honing in an heritage visual appeal. You can also use black and white bathroom tiles in a small bathroom to make it appear bigger. For more modern interior, an HRSQ box-style tile flooring is going to add feature to the kitchen or hallway, which is impossible to neglect. Pair this with white gloss monochrome accessories and kitchen cupboards for a remarkable looking that is uniformed and create an impact. Meanwhile, to bring down the intensity, choose vibrant add-ons to give a pop of color and wooden countertop that will not compromise on the elegance of the home. White and black style evoke images of magnificent black tie, a fair with a caviar and champagne. Stylish black and white kitchen floor tiles might be classic and timeless, though they have been revamped for contemporary taste. While everybody is acquainted with basic checkerboard patterns from days gone by, newer, more contemporary design tend to be subtler and intricate and include more curves. In fact, even patterns that are timeless like herringbone as well as basket weave were enhanced with the usage of marble, making them much more remarkable than older ceramic tile models. The usual checkerboard pattern is composed of 12 by 12 tiles, produces a big visual impact, though this vintage design could be elevated to a new contemporary standard. The right way to modernize it is to make the squares smaller and more complicated. In the past, getting curves in tile meant you had to make use of small pieces and bits of mosaic to fashion a curve that would spiral and amaze you. Today, no longer are you restricted to mosaic puzzle or simple curves since the water jet has introduced in the scene. Water jet technology helps it be super easy to cut modern or intricate curves in tough material like marble. Consequently, despite a black and white design, you can't get some fantastic contemporary curves that appear to go endlessly without any break in the material. To incorporate a bit of glimmer, think about using the black and white tiles with revolutionary component like mirror or even mother of pearl. In case you want a herringbone design but wish to update it with contemporary taste, the solution is marble. The marble is black and white but normally evokes luxury in bathroom or kitchen. The best thing about black and white bathroom tile is its versatility. While any other tile might be restricted in their usability by their color, black and white tiles look good with just about all styles. Plus, utilizing white and black tiling could truly make all the various other colors in the room pop. Another advantage is its flexibility. In case you choose to modify the paint color in an area, you will not need to get a brand new tile to match. Black and white tile is an incredibly versatile choice that can work nicely in any space or style. A black and white bathroom is among the most traditional design choices. It makes a clean and fresh feel, which is just what you would like for the area. It's likewise really versatile with regards to styling. You can accessorize it with stainless steel, brass or gold, and you can accent it with practically anything to create your look really different. So friends, hope you like this video on black and white tiles, and for more such videos don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click the bell icon so that you never miss any future updates. For the latest and trending interior decoration designs, visit our website interiordecordesigns.in and check out the latest trend in interior decoration. You can also follow us on social media profiles like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram and Pinterest for more design ideas. All links are there in the description box below. If you want to take interior decoration design ideas in your pocket and on your smartphone, then you can download our app available on Play Store from the link in the description box below. With this, we take a goodbye from you and we'll meet again soon in the next one. Till then, bye and take care.